This was all my fault. I should have never gone anywhere near that lawyer.
Damn right it was your fault.
What are you doing here? Haven't you put them through enough?
Get out of our house, you murderous piece of shit.
Is this what you wanted, Matilda? Huh? A lawyer dead?
What have you done to our lawyer? Why did you kill him?
Ask your mother. She's the one who made a mistake.
Liar! You're the one who's made a mistake. Did you seriously think that killing a lawyer and endangering my family would help you get away with it? You have no right to do that whatsoever.
Listen to you, Rocket Raccoon. People should learn not to cross the red line. They did absolutely nothing to listen to us.
Because the whole world knows that you are a fascist. You are a criminal, a murderer, and a disgusting human being. We only chose to move to Ig Hazard to have a new life after Bomb's death and Zachary robbing us, and this is what you're doing. You should have never existed.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Well, go on then. Do it. Shoot me. I dare you.
Mom, no.
What are you doing?
What are you waiting for? End this shit right now. Do it.
Who the hell do you think you are? Huh? Hiring lawyers to stop me. You will never get away with it as long as me.
Get the fuck off him!
I should have killed you if I had the chance.
Chuck, no.
What are you doing, you idiot?
Stay the fuck away from my family. I mean it.